Hello everybody, it's Duke again. I'm out in the shop. It's Saturday morning, all around 10:30. Got out here a little bit late. The other day when I put that green slime in the tires, I checked them at 14 pounds of air. Now they're still up. I've tied this thing back behind my lawnmower, and rolled around the yard for a while, and so far they haven't lost any air. It seems like nice and tight. Both of them are the same way, nice and tight. So let's see how much pressure I got in them. As you can see, I put right there how much pressure it had in it. So 14 pounds. No, hold on. Let's see. Better check it again. 10 pounds. So I lost 4 pounds of pressure. I'll go ahead and refill it back up. Try it again. Back at the 14. Let's see what this other one did. It's only supposed to hold 10 pounds anyway. So if you overfill it, it sometimes helps push that stuff into the cracks. Yeah, 10 pounds on both of them. Both of them lost 4 pounds. So I put more air back into them, and then we'll see what it does. And then I got an unboxing to do. I ordered my wife a little cart. So I'll be back in a little bit. Catch you later. Bye. Talk about a close-up. Hello again. Well, I put 14 pounds of pressure back in those tires. So I should know in a couple of days how it's going to work. Let's see. Get it upside down. Anyway, it's just a little cart. She's got bad knees, and it's just one of them little roll around carts that you use around the yard. I'll probably use it some too with my back, but in here I don't have room for it. I just use it outside. This is outside anyway. Idiot sheet. Looks like we got an axle, some more knobs, tires. Yeah, they blew up, or they're solid one. No, they're two. There's a tool pan for it. More tires, tube types. A little wire basket. Another wire. And this is the frame. Now this one here is supposed to have the adjustable seat on it for higher and lower, up and down, and all that good stuff. And the tractor seat. I probably had to pad that. All right. Now, probably had to get that. Probably got those turned backwards. What are you laughing at? I'm sure. Can y'all even see what I'm doing? There's the axle, rear axle, I guess. I hope. Nuts and bolts, pieces of this and that. Alright. First we put the basket on it. And it goes on the back side, this side here. Take that axle back out. It's bent. It's bent too. Okay. Alright, I don't think everyone will want to sit and watch me put this thing together, so it'll take forever doing it. So I'll bring you back periodically, let you know how I'm doing. See you in a little bit. Well, I got it finished. There it is. If you can see it, I can't. Had a little trouble with it. Didn't have enough washers for the axles. Had to find some. And one of the seat bolts didn't work. And for the seat down here in the bottom, hold it right there. They had a Carter key in it, and it stuck way out here. And if you hit it, you're gonna cut yourself. So I put a pin in it. Okay, my wife's gonna show you how to use it. There you go. The seat is adjustable. Now, a lady that has one of our neighbors has one, she said it's easier to roll it backwards and sideways.
Oh, this one's better.
Yeah.
Ouch. That's a
Well, you're not supposed to hit the basket. But that way she'll be able to get in the flower bed in her garden and maybe do a little bit of work. Of course, I don't know how that brace is going. I don't know how it's going to feel with that brace there for a while.
Like this?
Yeah.
That?
Well, the brace.
Yeah, it's going to be a little hard, but
Once you get the right height on it and everything,
I think it'll be fine.
you should be all right.
Especially when we got to start putting up this netting.
So that's her little gift to help her out around the yard. So maybe she'll get some use out of it. I guess I'll catch y'all later. Say bye.
Bye.
Catch you on the flip side. Bye-bye. I thought maybe y'all might like seeing what our garden looks like. This is all, didn't you say they were tomatoes?
Yeah.
Tomato tomatoes and those 2 bell pepper plants. That's all we've got out this year. I'm not worried about getting down too much. We got one small tomato on, let's see, right here it is. And my wife just said we got peppers coming. We sure do. Yeah, they're starting to bloom. Right there. And on that one too, we got bell peppers on that one. I didn't even see them bloom. Now these are bell peppers, aren't they?
Bell pepper, one's a sweet pepper.
Okay, one's the banana pepper, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But catch you later.